Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today in this short video lecture I will discuss a house plan in the dimensions of 28 by 70 feet. And I designed this house plan for one of my clients, so let me discuss with you people. If you need house planning, structural design, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. If you are anywhere, you will get a best house planning from my side on paid services, not for free. Guys, this is ground floor plan in the dimensions of 28 by 70 feet. So here guys, we have on the ground floor only one bedroom and one drawing. On the first floor we have two bedrooms. Okay, so here this is main gate, which width is 12 feet. This is driveway, and this is the front lawn, which is 10 feet. So this is main entry. Okay, this is main gate. This is also the other main gate. Okay, this one is 10 feet. So guys, here we have open passage, which is 5 feet to this side for ventilation, and the back side is also 5 feet, right? So guys, here this is carport. Size of this carport is 12 feet 9 inch by 13 feet 9 inch, and here this is the main entrance for this TV lounge and entry lobby. So this is the first one door for this drawing room. Size of this drawing room is 15 feet by 13 feet. This is the window for this drawing room. Next, you can see this is the sliding door for this dining. So from this TV lounge you can enter to this dining. Size of this dining is 11 by 11 feet. So you can also come by this entrance. This is the access to this drawing. Next, you can see this is the powder, which is 4 feet by 5 feet. This is its ventilation. Okay, next guys, you can see this is the TV lounge. Size of this TV lounge is 11 feet 9 inch by 15 feet, and this is the stair for up, especially for first floor. This is the window and sitting area for this TV lounge. Okay, so this is open to sky, or open this is passage to this side. You can see this is the window, big window, about 8 feet. So guys, you can see this is the first bedroom. Size of this bedroom is 12 feet 9 inch by 16 feet. This is its wardrobe, and this is bath. Size of the bath is 12 feet 9 inch by 6 feet, and this is the small window to this back side lawn. Okay, which width is 5 feet. Next guys, you can see this is the kitchen. Size of the kitchen is 10 feet 4.5 inch by 16 feet, and here this is the pantry, which is 5 feet by 6 feet. This is its window, and this is this is veranda, which size is 6 feet 9 inch width. Okay, this is 6 feet and 9 feet width. So guys, this is the ground floor plan in the dimensions of 28 by 70 feet. So you can make a screenshot from this easily. Okay, so if you need house planning, structural design, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on given WhatsApp number, or in the link is in the description of this video. You can click, or you can contact me by this number. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.